An easy cheese sauce recipe is a must-have in your cooking recipe book. Perfect for regular boiled veggies, nachos, and for pasta also. It's a very good dip. The sauce is based upon white sauce. Hello viewers, myself Suparna. Welcome to Simply Food. Before starting today's video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button after watching this video. So first, into a pan, take 1 cup of milk. Now take half onion, wrap it with a bay leaf and stick them with 3 to 4 cloves. It's a very easy way to put them into the milk. You don't need to strain the milk after boiling. Boil the milk for 5 to 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, remove the onion, bay leaf and cloves. Keep the milk aside. Now into a pan, take 1 cube of butter, let the butter melt. Add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix with the butter well, keep stirring it. Now add previously boiled milk and mix it well. Now add half teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt to taste. Give a mix. Now add grated cheese. Use your another hand to add milk and cheese. Mix well. It will be smooth in consistency. You have to move your spatula continuously to the milk. Cheese sauce is ready. Serve as warm or hot. That's it for today's video. Please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, hit the like button, share our videos, give your feedback in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.